Hello and welcome to OIM Soapbox. Today I will show you how to integrate OIM APIs with web services. And this example that I just did, I have one web service code, web service class Java that I put annotation, my classes that I will show as a web services, and the web service name, and the interface that I will use, and as well as soap binding that I will use. So basically you will call this and get the context as a web service context, not the other ways that you use to get for adapters example you need to use as a web service context. And the example that I did was basically basic examples just to test log on, log in, and log off, change password, get registration application ID that will get the user locator attribute, and get account status that I will pass the user key and the resource name, and will get return the status of that resource name for me. And this getInv method is just to get one JNDI for one specific method that I will use prepared statement, and also get attribute value and check password, the password policy. Every method, don't worry about the code itself, because all the methods that I'm showing you I will publish into my blog, Greek Kitchen, and I will share with you there. Okay, so basically is this the other way that we have. I show you in the first video how to test web services using JDeveloper. Just clicking the right button into the web services class and go to the test web services item, and also you can create a client to call your WSDL. But this example that I will show you today, I will just deploy this class, deploy this project, and I will include into my WebLogic and show you from there. It's another way to test web services, using OIM 11G. Okay, basically I already did the deployment here, to don't waste your time with this. And this is my web services project, user web services, and into the testing tab you will see the services that I did, and you will see into the development mode of WebLogic you will see WSDL and test client. If you are using a production mode into WebLogic, into your WebLogic, you will see just the WSDL link. You will not see the test client, because this test is just for development mode of WebLogic. Okay, when you click into that, you will open this screen that is a test web services client that has all the methods that I did, as you can see here. And if you just test one example, let me test log on, test if the user that I have, SysADM example, and the password that I have for him is correct or not. As you can see here, successful login, and success is true for this password and this user. If you want to test another method, let me give you an example. Get registration application ID. I will need to pass the user ID, so sysadm, and we will return the user locator from that one. This is the user locator from this user ID. Let's test now get account status. Let's go to the get account status and test with a specific user key that I have here. The user key is, let me get this again. Yeah, okay. The user key for this is this one. Let me get the status is provisioned, as you can see in OIM, right? And should return for us, the web service should return for us for this user key according to the database. it should return provisioned according to OIM 11G, right? Web client. So if you put here into web service 46, that the user key, and the account should return provisioned. Okay, so everything that I'm showing you here, I will publish it into my blog and give you more examples of these tests that I'm doing. I hope this helped, and have a great night. Thank you.